It's time for Forney Jackrabbit Playoff Softball. Your District 15 5A champion Jackrabbits are set to take on the Hallsville Lady Cats in bi-district play this Thursday night. KFNY will be live from Lindale with the first pitch just after 7 p.m. This game is presented by Marcus England, Premier Nationwide Lending Agent, and Jacqueline England, Ebby Halliday Realtor, Rockwall, Heat, and Forney. Listen live online or through our free mobile app available on any mobile device. Forney Jackrabbits Playoff Softball only on KFNY Sports and KFNYSports.com.